Hey guys, I'm doing the Sounds of Growtopia and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. This is one Growtopia video that I actually use my voice with. And now that I could use my voice, you won't have to listen to my keyboard now. So that's happy. So let's get started. So guys, that was the Sounds of Growtopia. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. I forgot to say I may cancel the giveaway because no one is really commenting. I know that because who would want to watch a little dumb potato like me? But thank you to all those 13 people that subbed. I appreciate it very much. So, bye.